Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can upload project on Behance. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Behance. After that, open the official website and sign into your account. Once signed in, you will be redirected to this web page. Here, all of the available images and data will be displayed. Here, click on the Share Your Work embed at top right corner of your screen and a menu will open up. Inside this menu, you will be able to share your project, your service, work in progress, and live stream. Simply click on the first one and a new web page will load up. Basically, this is the portfolio editor. Here, upload the target project onto the website and then click on this Continue button at bottom right corner of your screen to complete the process. That's how you can upload project on Behance. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.